There is a new development in Duncan Rhodes' enterprise. He is going to do a painting academy, according to himself. He has done some YouTube stuff, and we are going to watch that one. And yeah, that is the breaking news, what he's going to do. It's very exciting to see what is coming out of this. Is it going to be a tutorial driven thing on YouTube? Is it going to be a Patreon thing? Is it going to be, who knows? We are going to watch this unfold, and it's really cool to see him out in YouTube land. And yeah. And here you can see it from the Twitter page he has launched, link below to that. And we are also going to check out the little video he has put out. 16 seconds, guys. That is all we got. Yeah, that's it. That's it, boys and girls. I don't know. It seems cool. From the ashes, here rising. So yeah, it's going to be cool to see what's coming out in the next month or so. All right, stay tuned. More news coming soon. Bye now. Subscribe and everything like that. All right, see you. Bye now.